Couldn't pass up the opportunity to get some final Idol thoughts in about American Idol before the big finale tonight. And it feels weird because I'm not going to say anything I haven't said before, both here on video and on the written blog as well, which, by the way, I should mention, I've decided I don't understand. I don't know what I was thinking in having both a written blog and a video blog. There's no reason they can't exist at the same place, so they're all at rollingwithdice.com now, so that's the central place for all my ramblings and things that I just have to get off my chest, both written and video. It's a beautiful thing. So I figured this is a lot of repeat, but I just say it again for emphasis because I've been saying it for weeks. In fact, since the Final Four, I predicted Allison 4th, Danny 3rd, Adam 2nd, and Chris 1st. And people have just been so sure that Adam Lambert's going to win this thing, and I think people are finally picking up this idea that, oh, wait a second, Adam Lambert was in the bottom 3 for one, meaning his support isn't all that strong to begin with. And two, his fans are not growing. There isn't anybody who is going to become an Adam Lambert fan that was a Danny fan or an Allison fan or an anybody fan. If you like Adam Lambert, you like Adam Lambert. He's not gaining any fans. He's been amazing since the beginning. If you like what he does, you've liked him. You know who's gaining fans at a very big rate? Chris Allen. Every week, he just picked up speed, he picked up moment at exactly the right time. He will win tonight. My biggest fear, and this is what will happen, and I think it's unfortunate, is that Adam's loss will appear to be such a shocker, even though it really shouldn't be, but it'll appear to be such a shocker that it will distract from Chris being a worthy winner. And it'll be all about, well, why did Adam lose? It's because he's gay. It's because of the Christians who get their vote in there. And even Chris Allen himself today said, I don't want to win because of the Christian vote. I want to win because I'm the better singer. And I think it's unfortunate, Chris, but I think people are going to think that you won because of the Christian vote. And really, you won because of the I don't like glam rock vote. You don't dig what Adam Lambert does. I dig what you do. And Chris, I want you to know my votes for you last night, and yes, I did vote, were because I like the way you sing better than I like the way Adam Lambert sings, and I would buy your album way before I would buy his. That's why I voted for you. It had nothing to do with Adam Lambert's personal life or anything to do with me loving Jesus Christ. It had to do with me loving your music. I promise.